Welcome students. Our next topic is combination of cell. Combination of cell. So in your syllabus there are two types of combination given. First is called series combination. Series combination. So let's suppose two cell as like this have a EMF E1 and E2. Internal resistance is what? You better know every cell have a electrolyte made by electrolyte and which offer the internal resistance already taught. This is R1 and this resistance is what? This resistance is what? R2. Current drawn from positive to negative. So flowing current will be same for both and flowing current is what? I. Let's suppose some points are given. This point is A, this point is B and this point is what? C. So total potential between A and C will be between A and B plus B and C. We better know the formula. Since current drawn from the cell, it means cell is going to discharge and you better know the formula. V is equal to E minus Ri. This is very important formula. Previous lecture I discuss about this one. V is equal to E minus Ri. This case happen when current drawn from the cell. You better know current is flowing out the cell. If current is joining the cell, then it will be plus. Okay. So we are studying combination of cell. Two cells have a EMF E1 and E2. Internal resistances R1 and R2 connected in series as like your question. Flowing current will be I. Same current will drawn because they are in series combination. You better know. Okay. So we have to follow this formula. So total potential is, since two cells are there, so potential between AB plus potential between BC. So total potential V is equal to VAB plus VBC. AB plus BC. Are you getting? So apply this formula. So total potential V is equal to what value E first? E is given E1 minus R1I plus VBC. It's given, not it is E2. So it will be what? E2 minus R2I. Very easy. So now you compile it. V is equal to E1 plus what? E1 plus E2 minus I common. You have to convert in that form. All time your aim is V is equal to E minus Ri. Anyhow. So what we get here? I is common. You get an I. What inside? It will be I is common. So it will be R1 and R2. R1 plus what? R2. Now you can see there V is equal to E minus Ri. Now compare first and second. Compare on very easy way. In the place of E equivalent, what are you getting? E1 plus E2. You better know E1 plus E2. And in the place of R, you are getting R1 plus R2. You better know they are in series. So in series combination resistance is R1 plus R2. So our answer become what? E equivalent. E equivalent is equal to what? E1 plus E2. Very easy way. In the place of E equivalent, you are getting E1 plus E2. I am comparing the previous equation with the equation today we got. Okay. And what are R equivalent? R equivalent is equal to, in the place of R, you are getting I is common there. R, you are getting R1 plus R2. So this is the formula of series combination. Okay. If let's suppose cell is given as like this, negative, positive. So there are two cases happen. If E1 greater than E2, the current drawn from E1 to E2, and if E2 greater than E1, then current drawn from E2 to E1. In the case of that, it will be E1 minus E2 or E2 minus E1. But here simply they are connected positive, negative, so it becomes E1 plus E2. So this is the answer for which combination? Series combination. Some questions are given your NCERT, so we will do by that method. Okay. So this is all about your series combination. Second heading, parallel combination. Parallel combination. So let's suppose two cells are there, have a EMF E1 and what? E2. Internal resistance. When you are considering about cell, you have to define the internal resistance. Better know R1 and this resistance is what? R2. And two current will drawn because they are in parallel. So flowing current are what? I1 and this current is what? I2, and I1 and I2, this become what? Common I. But since they are connected with same point, so no doubt potential will remains what? Constant. Potential will not change. You better know in parallel potential is not going to change. So potential remains V while current is I1, I2, EMF is E1, E2, resistance is R1, R2 and total current is I. And again we apply the formula V is equal to E minus Ri. We will use this formula. Okay. So our start will be from here. So total Kirchhoff's first law, I is equal to I1 plus I2. Since T junction are joining the junction and this is leaving the junction, so total current I is equal to what will I? I1 plus what? I2. This is first point. Anyhow, we have to get the value of I1. So first you define the value of I. So what we get here? Ri is equal to what we get here? Ri is equal to E minus V. So I is equal to E minus V upon R. We need I1 and I2. So the value of I is equal to E minus V upon R. Are you getting the point? Okay. So now modify the formula. So total current I is equal to what value of I1? E, not E. It is E1 but potential is remain V. So what we get here? E1 minus V upon R. That resistance is given R1 plus what value of I2? E2 minus V upon what? R2. Anyhow, we have to convert this formula into that form. Then we will equate as like previous one. Okay. So what we get here? I is equal to what we get here? E1 upon R1 plus E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2, E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V is common. What we get here? 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay. Anyhow, we have to convert it. So V is alone here. So we will get V into what we get here? Now we will get V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 equal to what we get? It will become E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 and that will go that side minus I. I am trying to get this form. V is equal to E minus Ri. So we will get V into what is R1 R2 is LCM. So we will get R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. Are you getting? This is solution. Equal to R1 and R2 is LCM. So what we get here? E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus I. Okay. So this is the point for that one. Our aim is very clear. So what we will get? Okay. So what is value of V? So V is equal to that portion go in division. So R1 R2 will cancel out. So what we get here? E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 cancel out. So what will get? R1 plus R2 minus I into that portion will go here. So what we get here? It become R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Are you getting the point? Okay. So now I think it is in the form. Now you equate it. We better know V is equal to E minus Ri. It is as like this. So what are equivalent? Compare E equivalent is equal to that much. Equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2. This is the formula of E equivalent. And what are the formula of R equivalent? In the place of R you are getting that one. So R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. You better know this is the parallel combination. So this is the formula of combination of cell in series and in parallel. Okay. So that's all for today.